In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3v2. The Ender 3v2 by Comgrow is a 3D printer that combines advanced features for enhanced user experience and print quality. Built with durable aluminum, the printer measures 17.32 inches in depth and width, and 18.31 inches in height, weighing 15.43 pounds. It is compatible with laptops and personal computers, making it versatile for different setups. One of its standout features is the self-developed silent motherboard that offers stronger anti-interference and stable motion performance, ensuring silent printing with low decibel operation. The printer is equipped with a UL-certified branded power supply, designed for fast heating and long-time printing, which is safely concealed within the machine. The Ender 3v2 also includes an effortless filament feed-in system with a rotary knob on the extruder, complemented by a new user interface and a 4.3-inch smart color screen for improved usability. Additionally, it has a resume printing function that allows continuation from the last recorded extruder position after power outages, minimizing time loss and material waste. The carborundum glass platform ensures quicker hotbed heating and better print adhesion without warping, providing ultra-smoothness even on the first layer. Number 2. Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D printer. The Sovol SV04 is an advanced IDEX, independent dual extruder, 3D printer that offers versatile printing capabilities with its for different printing modes. It features independent dual direct drive metal extruders, allowing users to print in 2 different colors, materials, or models simultaneously. The printer supports a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and more. With a larger build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm compared to its predecessors, it provides more space for creativity. The SV04 comes with an auto-leveling sensor to enhance bed adhesion and print quality, and includes a 32-bit TMC2209 silent board for stable and quiet operation. The flexible magnetic building plate ensures easy removal of prints without tools, while the 500W power supply offers stable performance and quick heating. Additionally, the printer is equipped with a fully upgraded 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen featuring day, night modes and 1-button control for ease of use. It also includes a double filament detector to prevent disruptions during long print jobs. Overall, the Sovol SV04 is designed for high-quality printing with user-friendly features and robust performance. Number 3. Snapmaker A350T 3D printer. The Snapmaker 2.0 A350T is a versatile, modular 3-in-1 3D printer that combines 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving capabilities in a single machine. It is designed to be smarter, faster, larger, and more powerful than previous models, featuring a substantial build volume of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches, allowing for the creation of large-scale prototypes without the need to split files. The printer's modular design, utilizing CAN bus technology, ensures efficient and stable data transmission, facilitating easy assembly, disassembly, and component changes. With an all-metal body and a high-precision repeatability of 0.005 mm, the A350T promises high-resolution output and durability. It is equipped with Snapmaker Luban software, which offers a user-friendly interface with a 5-inch touchscreen, power loss recovery, and compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems. Additionally, Snapmaker provides a 1-year service warranty for quality issues and offers support services including professional technical support and an interactive community to assist users in getting started. Number 4. ELEGOO MAS for MSLA. The ELEGOO MAS for Resin 3D printer is a sophisticated and user-friendly device designed for both beginners and experienced users. It features a 7-inch 9K mono LCD with an impressive 8520 by 4320 resolution and 18 micrometers XY resolution, allowing for the creation of detailed and intricate models with high precision. The printer offers a substantial build volume of 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm cubed, providing ample space for various projects without compromising accuracy. Equipped with a powerful COB light source, the MAS4 ensures consistent and accurate prints by uniformly exposing the beam of 405 nm wavelength across the entire LCD. The laser-carved build plate enhances adhesion, improving the printing success rate by ensuring models remain securely attached during the process. Additionally, the printer boasts a user-friendly interface featuring a 3.5-inch touchscreen with model preview and real-time progress monitoring capabilities, allowing users to easily track and adjust the printing process as needed. ELEGOO offers professional technical support, promising responses within 24 business hours for any issues encountered. The MAS4 is suitable for beginners in 3D printing, though children should be supervised by an adult or responsible person during use. Number 5. Longer LK5 Pro. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is a versatile and high-performance device designed for both home DIY projects and school use. It features a stable triangular structure with reinforced inclined rods to minimize errors from resonance, ensuring high precision and durability. The printer offers a substantial maximum build size of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches, allowing for greater creativity and innovation in 3D printing projects. It supports various printing materials, making it adaptable to diverse 3D printing needs. With an impressive printing speed of 180 mm per second and a precision of 0.1 mm, the LK5 Pro surpasses industry standards. It includes features like filament depletion detection and auto-resume printing, which help save time and reduce material waste. The upgraded configuration includes a silicon carbide lattice glass platform for uniform temperature and strong adhesion, a Teflon tube for smooth material flow, and dual fans for efficient cooling. Additionally, it operates quietly with an ultra-quiet TMC2209 driver and offers open-source firmware for customization. The printer is 90% pre-assembled, making it suitable for beginners, and comes with 24-hour professional customer service support.